In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you guys step-by-step how you can transfer money from your PayPal account to your debit card just in few minutes. This will be an easy and quick tutorial, so let's get started. So to start transferring money from PayPal to debit card, it's super easy. All you have to do is you just need to open your PayPal account like this, go to your PayPal home page, and you should see over here transfer money. Click on transfer money like this, and you will be directly in this page. What you will do next, you need to click over here on link debit card like this, and here you go. You just need to put your debit or credit card number here and choose which card type you have. If you have Visa card, you can use this one, MasterCard, American Express, Discover, and so on. I'm gonna choose, for example, Visa. Put here your date of your card, your security code, and your billing address. Then click over here on link a card. Okay, and that's it. Then you will be able to start transferring money from your PayPal account to your debit card account. Okay, it's super easy and simple. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next videos.